सहाना भवतु माय ट्राइब, कैसे हो आप लोग? हाउ आर यू ऑल? मैं आई हूँ ऑन अ शॉर्ट वीडियो फॉर गुप्त नवरात्रे। ओके, सोचा ये वीडियो बनाऊं क्योंकि जो गुप्त नवरात्रे हैं जो कुछ मघा नक्षत्र में आया और कुछ अधिक मास है, इसलिए जल्दी आया है 2 महीने के लिए। तो मैं हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में ये वीडियो बना रही हूँ क्योंकि हिंदी ऑडियंस भी है और इंग्लिश भी है। So now I'm going to be talking about Gupt Navratri, which is starting on the 19th of Jan. Okay, 18th of Jan Amavasya hai. There is Amavasya, new moon on 18th of Jan, and after the I think the first half, the Navratri also starts on the 19th. Okay, the Amavasya continues from 18th to 19th, and after the first half of the day, the second half, the Navratri starts. So let's talk about Gupt Navratri. This is a very short video because I'll tell you, I wanted to make something because it's a very important day. Okay, बहुत ज़रूरी, बहुत ही important day है. Very important day to manifest protection and money. Why? Because this is why is it called Gupt Navratri? Because all the Gupt things, all the hidden things were, all the hidden rituals were done on this day, right? These 9 days, okay? All the hidden rituals were done. And जितना इस पे जो गुप्त ज्ञान है, जो गुप्त चीज़ें हैं जो शेयर नहीं की जाती थी बहुत सालों से, वो इन 9 दिनों में होती है. In these 9 days, all the gupt, all the hidden things are done, right? So what we are going to do is we have to start from the day 1 of the Navratra. Okay, every day after 12 o'clock, like you can take 12 or 12:30, that time you can just sit down and light a ghee diya. Now this today I am sharing a powerful remedy of Ma Tara. Ma Tara, the best goddess, my favorite one. She is one of the most fastest to respond. She is most always ready to come and help you. I had done a free course also 2 years back on my Facebook. I think more than 300 people had joined. She's one of the best ones because she is one divine mother who, after whom even Shivji is running. Why? Because she came in a roop of mother to him. Okay, she is full of compassion, full of love, full of giving nature. ओके, सो माँ तारा की जो उपासना करते हैं, बहुत सारे लोग मानते हैं उनको, मैं भी मानती हूँ. माँ तारा इज वन ऑफ द bestest in the world. So this Gupt Navratri, we are going to do a ritual which is going to help us the whole year to get rid of negativity and attract money abundance. Okay, what you're going to do is, okay, now see, we are so lucky that the Navratra is coming in Jan, the Gupt Navratri. Normally it comes in the later months, right? So we can manifest something that we will be attracting. The whole year can go smooth. पूरा साल आपका सही जाएगा, अच्छा जाएगा. ना आपको नज़र लगेगी, ना आप पैसे के ऑब्स्टिकल्स फेस करोगे. Okay, no negativity, no obstacles in money. What you're going to do is, in the night of the first day of the Navratra, the Gupt Navratra, you're going to light a ghee diya at 12 o'clock in the night. This is a little tantric ritual, okay? Ma Tara is also a tantric goddess, which is very safe to do. So don't worry, I will not share anything that will harm you. What you're going to do is, you're going to wear clean clothes, you're going to sit in front of your mandir altar, you're going to light a diya, no matter where your altar is, in which direction, but you are going to light a diya and then sit facing north or northeast. Okay, you're going to sit facing north or northeast. Even if your altar is in different direction, just light the diya over there. You will face north or northeast. All right, you will sit there and you're going to take one. Now Ma Tara's favorite color is blue, so either you take a blue cloth or you take a white cloth. Okay, keep it next to the diya, add one silver coin and add 5 cloves. How many? 5 cloves. Our favorite food is mishri. Mishri is the sugar candies you get, na, those solidified sugar, unrefined sugar. So you will keep some mishri over there. थोड़ी सी मिश्री रखेंगे, 5 लौंग रखेंगे और एक कॉइन रखेंगे. आप कैसे रखेंगे? You will keep the coin and you will keep the 5 cloves around the coin. Okay, बीच में कॉइन रखेंगे और कॉइन के इर्द गिर्द वो 5 लौंग रखें. एंड देन यू आर गोइंग टू सिट फेसिंग नॉर्थ और नॉर्थ ईस्ट. You are going to put your intention that I want to get rid of all the negativity, black magic, evil eye, if there is on you. And Ma Tara is one of the most powerful goddess who is going to help you get rid of all this. Okay? And then you're going to ask that I want to remove all my money obstacles. I want to see, you can't completely get rid of everything at once. So you're going to say is, please open more doors for me to earn money. Please, this is my issue. Suppose you're in a job and you're not getting an appraisal. So this is my issue. You can even write it down. Like I always say, do not put more than 3 wishes. Okay? Not putting more than 3 wishes is very important. You put 3 wishes over there. You can even write it down with a red ink, okay, or a blue ink, and fold the paper towards you and keep it next to the coin. And then ask Ma Tara, next 9 days, I am going to sit here every night at 12 o'clock, light a ghee diya, and chant her mantra. Om Tare Tu Tare Ture Soha. That mantra is one of the safest mantras you can do. Okay. Now, Ma Tara's mantra is very underestimated by people. Let me tell you, just because it is too much on social media, don't take it for granted. It is one of the most powerful mantras. If you do it 21 times, if you do it 1 mala, if you do it 3 mala, I always tell people do 3 malas. Okay. 3 malas is one of the most powerful uh, count you can do of chanting. Okay. Do 3 malas if you can. If you can't, just do it 21 times. Okay. Even if you can't do 21 times, you don't have the time, do it 9 times. Okay. Sit there and chant Om Tare Tu Tare Ture Swaha with your intention. Or the other tantric mantra is, but before I give you a tantric mantra, I have to brief you that tantric mantras are very, very heat based. It creates a lot of heat in your body, but they are very, very effective. Okay. What you need to do is you need to take some kind of breath work before you do that. Any mantra that you're doing which is related to any tantric goddess or god, you need to do a lot of breath work with it. So just sit down, take 7 deep breaths, very deep breaths. Okay. We do this lom anilom, yeah, that you need to do, okay, 7 times very sincerely, and then chant this mantra. Then there will be a very less effect of heat in you. And anything that you're doing as a mantra, even if it is Om Tare Tu Tare or the Tantric mantra, which is Om Hrim Shrim Hum Fat, okay, that also you can do 1 mala. Don't do more than 1 mala, okay, the Tantric mantra. Om Tare Tu Tare, you can do it 3 malas or less, whatever's convenient to it. The Tantric mantra, please do it only 1 mala, because, like I said, they create a lot of heat in your body, might create some kind of issue. This is a warning. Okay. So just do the Tantric mantra or Om Tare Tu Tare Ture Soha. Do it for next 9 days, 12 o'clock in the night, praying to Ma Tara sincerely from your heart, telling her, please help me in, overcoming my obstacles and whatever intentions you have. And let this whole year, whole coming year, be one of my best. Okay. And of course, we don't want to harm anybody. We don't want money from insurance. We don't want money from accidents. So you say without harming anyone. That line is very, very, very important when we manifest anything that is really, really powerful and strong. So without harming anyone, Ma, I want you to help me with whatever issue you have. Okay, regarding your money, and also evil eye, black magic, if you feel you have it on you, she will really help you, and she responds so quickly. And in these 9 days, believe me, if you are working towards evil eye and black magic with her, she is going to help you with a dream. In those 9 days, you might dream of somebody who is actually the one who has casted that spell, black magic, evil eye on you or your family. And Ma Tara has helped me also with that. I was praying to her and I got a dream that that person's face was shown to me. And it is one of the competitors, okay, who tried to do black magic on my channel. So she is one of the best and the fastest and the bestest. So do this for 9 days of Gupt Navratre and see the awesome change in your life. Your whole year, आपका पूरा साल बहुत स्मूथली जाएगा. आप ये मंत्र बोलिए, 21 बार बोलिए, 3 माला बोलिए. प्लीज़ ये पूरे 9 दिन रात के 12 बजे घी का दिया लगा के, वो सिल्वर कॉइन रख के, वाइट या ब्लू कपड़ा रख के, डार्क ब्लू नहीं लेना, एकदम take a little lighter shade of blue, okay, and then keep the silver coin, 5 cloves and mishri, and you will see how things will change. Mishri, you can use it as a prasad, and the cloves, you can keep it in that white cloth with you till your manifestation is over. The silver coin, you keep it in your wallet, okay. Later on, you carry that energy, that clove energy, that coin energy with you, and that will really help you to manifest whatever you have asked Ma Tara for. She is the best, and she is going to help you like how. Okay, this was a short video for Gupt Navratre. Do this remedy and do put it in the comment box whether you have benefited from it or no, and do the sharing, guys. Sharing is very important. Okay, so that's all for today. Om Tare Tu Tare Ture Soha. Hari Om Tat Sat.